All right, good morning everyone. Hello world. Well, looks like it's gonna be a prettier day than it was yesterday. Sun's out, so I'm gonna get out of here. My back is killing me. I learned a valuable lesson so far. I need to slow down. I know I get so motivated when I'm trying to get things accomplished, but I'm gonna get a fire going and we'll get day 3 started. And I'll spin this around and show you some of the sunshine. So there you have it. It'll be more wood collecting and branches so I can get that shelter, the permanent shelter built, or at least somewhat of a permanent shelter. So it's looks cloudy though, so I don't know, we may have rain, but stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna practice my ferrocerium rod, my ferro rod techniques. Well, there we go. Getting that fat wood moving and burning. Gotta love it. Tried to keep this wood as dry as I could. But as you can tell, it's still a little damp. She's going now. I'll get me some good coals going, and then I'll make me some coffee and get the day started. Coffee. I do know this. I'm starting to really get hungry, so I may go down there and try to catch one of them trout. Come up here and smoke it. Try to get me some protein, because I should have brought some food. I underestimated how much work first couple days of building a shelter is. It's easy to do when you forget about some of the major things you're trying to do. So stay tuned. All right, as you can see, well, hold on, the rain is moving in on me again. That's all right. We'll we'll keep working, and if I have to, I'll work up underneath the tarp. I'm gonna grab my pot and put it over here on the tarp since it's gonna rain again. Collect some more water. So stay tuned. I may have to show you how to split a log with actual logs themselves. All right, world. Well, day 4. No fish. I didn't get a chance to spear anything. Looks like it's going to be a good day today, so we'll see. I know I'm gonna try to get a handle on that shelter, but I'm learning. I need to take my time, so I'm just gonna make me some coffee and then get back to it. So I'll show you some more time-lapse stuff. I think I'm doing it right. So as far as on the shelter, we'll get as far as we can today. So all right, world. Hey, I'm going to show y'all how to split a log in case you want to try to make a board or two. Eventually I'll show you how I'm going to use those, but basically here's what you need. You need a log, some spikes that you made out of trees, and an axe. I'm gonna put the camera down so y'all can see and just show you how it's done. Not sure what kind of wood this is because it was wet. I'm gonna move the camera. Still don't know what kind of wood this is. Well, she actually fell apart on me. She's so rotten. That's all right, you get the point. If I find a a better log, I'll do that, but you get the point. All right, world. Well, I didn't get done what I wanted to get done, but kind of had some issues. I'll show you what I did get accomplished. So I kind of had some technical difficulties. I was able to get a lot more wood. I got the left side secured down, and I know what people are thinking, oh, you're just copying Clay Hayes. Well, yes and no. I'm going to be modifying this a little bit, but his version works. So, well, they say the greatest compliment someone can get is imitation or copying. So, but I do have some plans that's modified a little bit, but his was smart. It was nice and small, and hell, mine's probably even smaller than his. Mine's only about 5'1". If you look at me, I'm standing and I can barely get under it. So I got about a 6 foot gap here, or I mean a 6-inch gap to a 10-inch. But I wanted it that way because I'm gonna run, basically I'm gonna put a bunch of snare wire up underneath this so I can hang the bow, keep things up off the ground. That way the mice don't get it. So left side secured, right side will get done first thing in the morning. I'm done for the evening. That being said, y'all stay tuned. We'll get some more footage tomorrow morning. Problem with the fire. makes you want to go to sleep. Later on, I'll try to wake up, show you how dark it really is. Without the fire, I'll walk away from it. Good night. Alright, well, tonight it's put on a dry, super dry pair of socks. Change of socks. Also, I hear some bear dogs off in the distance, so they may chase a bear over this way, so I'll try to film it. Okay, I'm going to show y'all how dark it is. Okay, that's my light. Now I'm going to turn my light out. I've got my fingers right here, and I've got them stretched out as far as I can. I'm bringing it back. That's about a foot away from the camera. I'm looking up at the sky. As you can see, it's pretty darn dark. Oh well, I'm going back to bed.